Okay, good job. Sorry, Mike V, late power hour, 3:03. I apologize. Much different, than the 11 o'clock. I appreciate everybody's time. Let's get to what's going on. Log into TGH. China going. Let's go to the board. You know what I mean? Let's go to the board. What's been taking action? STNE acting well, taking calls. There you go. Set it on Friday. I'm in it. There's the weekly over the moving averages. For those that are really a little step further, STNE goes with PAGs. I didn't buy. It was under the moving average. XP, sexy is in its own right. Not in it. What else is taking? TJ Maxx. There's a bull market somewhere. There you go. TJ Maxx. Retailer. Okay. I said in TGH stocks taking calls. Late money. MP. This is the one they're telling me to watch out for, the boys. There's the daily. There's the weekly. Where's the monthly? Now it is prone to Chinese myth. There's the weekly. Well, hold on. Monthly above it. Weekly above it. All right. It's prone to news. It's why it's up today. I went short it. That's one of the ultimate compliments. QQQs that broke the 460 support. Are they above it now? QQQs need to hold this 460. I'm not going to lie. All right. This was a day where it's a Monday, obviously. Well, not obviously. It's Monday. There's a lot of tariff news over the weekend. All right. There's a lot of inside days, a lot of outside days. Still rotation. The VIX is more prevalent now. I'll get to that in a second. Coach, if he did, well, you know what? This is more important because Coach was a little bit more in tune to me this week, late last week, and this weekend, including this morning. Please go to the Red YouTube channel, gaining more subscribers, freaking ripping in subscribers. All right, this is Coach's video, the Monday morning plan, just like it's every day's plan at 9:30 Monday morning. In all due respect to Coach's the rest of the week, very important. Okay, garnering a lot of views, 313 views. I don't get that for all power hour during the week. That's because Coach leads from examples, a little smarter than me. Couple of banks report in the morning as I posted on TGH, Citibank, Bank of America. Citi's the one. I'm still in this fast. I'm not in Citi. I did buy some fast in the fund the other day on the low. I'm up like $30. All right, stocks still taking calls. Nugget still taking calls. All right, AGI, the three golds taking calls this morning. When I say golds, I'm not just talking about weeklies expiring Friday, which may or may not usually work, but they're still going into what? Whenever I put a number in TGH, like if I put like, yeah, no, I got you. Listen, Nick's allowed to, there's very few people allowed to interrupt. Nick's one of them. You know what this does? I'm not really in kids. I did see it. He posted it, and I did see B hack. But the bottom line is he stays in his lane. His job, he's aware that his job is to make money, not always necessarily be right, not to pontificate. This is that type of market where small lures, small positions turn into big. A lot of outside the box cliches, outside of the trend is your friend and volume tells the story. There are a lot of these other ones that sometimes are even more important and multi-layered lessons that you really don't want to learn the hard way. So QQQ is support. Planeteer, that's the one acting well. The group of them are acting very well no matter what. Planeteer, I brought up TGX. When I bring up something like it, getting back to options flow, like let me give this example. All right, let me go FXY. If I write down like 7, that means FXY. We talked about it in the room extensively. I actually learned something. I learned something every day in the room. You know what I mean? FXY taking calls. Bombs. 6 and 7. That means June and July. Some of them in September. 9. FXY. SDGR. Still taking calls. The right calls. It worked too. It always works. Third day up. Be careful. All right. We'll see what happens. Closes late. You know what I mean? VIX. Qs I noted. See what coach is up to. See what the room is up to. Every time freaking G Money, I'm going to call you G Money, posts this type of chart, he's always on it. I think you're 3 for 3 with these type of charts you post, G. Right here. He's even put in the volume shelf in. I love it. Gerard put in the volume shelf. Let's see what the boys are doing. Listen, what time is it? Like 3:10, 3:09? You know what I mean? I gotta give a couple, I'm not gonna fire away yet. Let's look what K Money's doing. Posted earnings, APLD, Bank of America, City, J&J. As we go through the week. These are all freaking Generation X and Boomer stocks. UNH, TSM, HBAN, AXP, DHI. I learned to trade these stocks. Alco, I trade more Alco in the first years. Abbott Labs, same thing. They used to trade well. Yeah, it says it all. Apple Computer. That's amazing, that stat. It really is. It really is. Apple. There you go. Sunrise Trader, my boy. STNE. Correct. He's in it. And by the way, Sunrise is a friend of ours. Guy's got a couple lines. They'll respond right away. Nice trade, man. He's a friend of ours. Gentlemen, low volume day and volatility continues to collapse. RKT, I missed it. You know what? Let's get that to freaking stocks. I bought that thing. I'm gonna tell you, I bought RKT on the low Friday aggressively. 1811? No, it was cheaper than that. Bought it good on Friday. I bought it right here, 1811. Oh, what a nice trade too. I bought a lot of it. Next, nice trade, DP. That was a nice trade. I was watching it. Planeteer. Larry. Good post. See Larry and Sunrise Trader. Larry, by the way, has been a guest of ours. Not only is he on every network across there, including Bloomberg, he's been on TGH, a la Dale Pinker. I couldn't get him on here. This guy's got 100. This a gentleman. I give money to him. It's rare. Also friends with Sunrise Trader. RKT, I know. I missed it. All right. Here's Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm going to tell you the stock, and I posted it. HUT and BTD are the other ones. There's this chart on Ethereum and Bitcoin. Bitcoin's acting very well. Didn't even flinch. All right, I'll leave it there. You guys good? I see who's on. I promised everyone, or it's my job not to call anybody out. Can't ask. Pardon me. All right, leave it there. Thanks for tuning in. Uh, people behind TGH, Tradeview Markets. It's Monday. Relax. Be a pro. Have pride in fills. All right. It's always another trade.